What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video with me, Game Bouncer, and today we are going to be playing some more Battlefield 4. Today I had an awesome idea. We're gonna play gun game. I forget what it's called already. I tried it out once, and I'm trying it. Gun Master, and I'm trying it out again. So let's do this, boys. I'm happy about what's taking place because honestly, last time I played I got 4th place, so I'm not too worried unless it gives me some bad guns or if it's the same every time. I have no idea. I don't think it's the same every time. But I figured out the rules and stuff. You're on a team. If one of your teammates get to the last gun, you lose or something. I think it works like that. I'm excited because I want to get 1st place today. Alright, we're starting with the P91. No, it doesn't look like it's there, and my sight is broken, so that's great. He's done this to me multiple times before. There's not much I can do about it, I don't think, unless I just go like that. Nope, nothing. Yeah, see, it's just, so... That didn't work. Now, it should be fixed when I respawn, but I have no idea, to be honest. I don't know, maybe it's just my disc, because it was a little broken. Yeah, see, over there, it fixed. My sight's not broken. I could have gotten a lot of kills, but my sight was broken. Alright. That's 1 kill. Oh, and you have to get 2 kills, apparently. I honestly don't know why. I guess it's just to make the game a bit more balanced, I guess, or, like, longer. Go. Oh, do we have a heavy weapon coming up? Oh, yes. Oh, that sucks. I'm not happy about what that happened. Come on. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be any different. Yeah, I don't know. All I know is that I'm getting killed right now. Oh my gosh, I'm sucking. You guys are boosters. Or whatever, I don't even know. They look like boosters, and somehow I didn't get either one of those kills. So, I feel really, really ashamed of myself right now. Yeah. Oh, I thought he was across the map. I just couldn't see him. My peripheral, I can't pronounce anything today. My peripheral, I'm never gonna be able to pronounce that. My side vision, okay? I just need 1 more kill with this thing. There it is. Oh! Yeah, guys. Inside. Oh, hi there! Well, that happened. Darn it. Come on, hurry up. Spawn me. I need to get this last kill, man. I need to get it. There we go. I shouldn't be rushing with this machine gun. Oh, come on. You just had to move. You just had to. Alright, I'm gonna flank him. No, I'm not. Got him though. He wasn't expecting nothing. Oh, let's go, son. Let's go. Jump shot. Okay, so this is an auto weapon. I'm gonna keep it like that. Oh, come here. Oh, come here. I want you. Yo, come on. I don't know what he's gonna do. Slippery snake. Oh, he's outside there. Abby? Oh, the sight's on this thing. Wait for him. Oh, shoot. 2 kills. 2. Health is 2. If I would have shot him once more. Yo. I'm not happy about what just took place. Not happy. So close. I was so stupid close. What? Okay. There's a guy out here. Oh, I can't even get to him. I have to go around. Alright, here we go. Gunfight central over here. Oh, what is going on? Oh, come on, man. Uh-oh, we got a teammate getting chased. Oh my! You guys, we're gonna be stuck on this stupid eagle for the rest of my life. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. We're gonna get killed right off the bat. Let's go, boys. Where are you? Where'd he go? I want him so bad. I know he can hear me and stuff, but... Come here. No! Don't! I'm not happy. At all. At all. Oh, come on, man. Okay, well, that happened. Alright, so we can't take the rush approach like we have been. We have to, play. Now's my chance. Figure out where he is. We got 2 guys. One's facing me, one's facing the other way. I don't know if one of them died yet. Alright, got a teammate next to me. Well, that happened. Alright. We're underground. I don't know if that was shooting at me. Yes, it was. Okay, well, no. Oh, dang! Yo, I'm so low on health and I still killed him. Oh, we're taking him out. We're taking him out.
We got a man down!
Oh, okay, well, my eardrums popped out or something. Because my dude's dead. Sounds like. Oh, shoot. Oh my gosh! I wrecked face there. I wrecked face. That was so good. Oh, we're done with the deagle. I'm so glad. I think it's shotgun up next. No, it's a machine gun. No, it's not. It's a single. Alright, I don't think it's a shotgun. I think it's just like a... I don't know. We're about to find out. Well, he's dead. Oh, come on. Oh, well, it counted, so... Oh, I suck at aiming. It's a little too high of sensitivity there. Not used to it, I guess. No excuses, let's go, son. You didn't even get hit once. I don't know why I have this red dot. I don't really enjoy it. Why would it give it to me like this? Okay. We got guys down here. Oh, 15 health. So close. Let's go, boys. This is hard. Get over here. Get over here. I don't even know anymore. Oh! Oh, he fell. Oh, why did I even challenge? Why did I challenge? I'm never gonna get near. There's even a shotgun too. It's like, bruh. Oh, we got a guy right here. No, we don't. We died. Oh. No! Oh, I got it. Next weapon. Just hang out here for a second. I don't like camp, but when I do, it's for a good reason. Uh-oh. Had to use my hair, but still got the kill. Holy crap, I almost didn't get that. I was getting so mad at myself. Oh. There we go. Here, okay, this is the shotgun, so... Oh, I hear someone. Oh! Okay, we're gonna... Uh-oh, I saw him. I saw the both of them, and then I still just didn't even care. Stupid. I would have never won that gun. Never won it. Would have never won it. Would have never. Oh, come on. Taking the mistake. Why did I even go slow? I should have just sprayed him down. Stupid thing has like no recoil. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go. Oh, I hate when you're switching weapons like that. You don't get time. You don't get time. You don't get time. But, still good. Alright, what we got going? Alright, it's auto. I'm cool with that. Am I getting shot at? Oh, I was getting shot at! Oh! This is gonna be a long video. Come on, boys. I better get, like, 3rd place. And I died. Really? Really? I just got triple teamed. I wanted that kill so bad. Shouldn't even look in the menu map, I think. I would have saw them if I had looked at my menu map, I think. So... over here. He's in this tube. Ready? He's not in this tube. Where did I... Oh, he's... Oh, shoot! What am I doing? You can't get tactical in this game. I don't think you can. Because I was like trying to crouch and then I knifed and crap. Not happy. Everyone died on me. I have no idea what to do.
Steer clear of shooting!
No! Jesus. Was that a teammate over there? I swear, man. I swear. I got killed by a stupid shotgun. That's the shotgun that I had trouble with. And he got me. And I had a machine. Oh my. Okay. Fine. No, come here. No. Crap. I even knew. Man, I hope you guys like Battlefield 4 footage because this is gonna be long. I didn't realize how long this was. I'm gonna be real sad if I win because I did horrible in this game. Oh, you little cheater! You're a cheater. Cheater, fucking cheater. Oh! Oh! Bruh. Did I at least one kill with this weapon, just to get a little bit bricks off of my back? Please tell me. Yes, I've gotten one kill with this thing. Now it's on that stupid dude who wasn't looking at me. Oh god. Got him! Uh-oh. Oh shoot! Get wrecked, son! That was so good. That was so good, guys. So good. So good, dude. I was doing terrific. Oh, I'm good with this weapon. I use this weapon all the time. Even though I was just playing yesterday. That's it. Oh, come on. This is a weapon you kind of rush with, kind of don't. You don't want to, fail, but at the same time, it's kind of hard not to win with this weapon. It's got it's higher power, and I'm done talking about it because I'm done with it. It's burst fire, so I haven't actually used a burst fire weapon in this game before. Oh, and it sucks. But I lived, so I'm sort of happy. Oh, the AS Val is a sniper? Oh, that sucks. Or is it? I have no idea. Oh, come on. Yep. Auto. Look at that. That was sick. You can't lie. Should I go for it? Go for it. I'm going for this guy. Oh, good choices. Oh, shoot. Yo, this is a sniper. Yo. I'm not very happy about this. I think it's a sniper. About to find out. Oh. Yeah, it's a sniper. Yo. Ooh! Yo! I just got collateral there. Yo! Nope. Yo! No! Not even... Dude! You will... Oh my gosh. I just made history. Yo! Oh my god. Yo! Dude. Yo, we're gonna do this. We're doing this, dude. We're winning. Alright, concentration. Concentration. No breathing. Don't give up if you cut your butthole. Come on. Where's the guy? Come on, baby. I want to do this. I want to do this. What is up, son? Oh, come on, dude. Yo, I'm hyped. I'm hyped. I'm hyped. Yo, come on, baby. Let's go, son. Let's go. Let's go. I'm winning. Where is he? Come on. No! No! Okay, we're good. 20 minutes, it's fine, it's cool. Yo, I need to win this. Yo, I need to win this. Yo, come on. You are catching up. I have no time. I just gotta rush. No, I can't take them. Alright, we're taking this guy out right here. Right, there's a guy behind me too, though. Yeah, there's a guy behind me. Act like he's not here. Oh shoot! No! Oh shoot! Now I'm back to where I was. No! 2 seconds. Oh no! Oh no! Yo, not cool.
Light me up!
That's right. That's right. Come on, baby. Just getting up there, man.
Man down!
Yo, I'm so hyped. No! Oh! Yo! Yo! That was such a hype game! Yo! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh, oh, oh. Let me see if I level up. I want to level up! No! No, we're not doing that. Okay, that was a long video, guys, but oh my gosh, dude. Right when I upload this, I'm cutting everything out except for that sniper part and the handgun part. Cause dang, dude. Yo, I'm so happy. Oh. Hit that like button, man. Hit that like button if you watched this. Yo. Oh my gosh. Alright, well I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.